Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing the StabiliGrip rigid floor kit for the Ford Transit Connect from Legend. Big package here, so let's get into it. All right, so I've got the StabiliGrip kit for the Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase here with the aluminum floor sills. And this thing is massive. In fact, this thing got shipped, secured to a giant wood pallet that was like the size of the van. So it's just a massive shipment, because guess what? This is a one-piece floor that is just huge. Look at this thing. This fits the entire cargo area of the van, and the StabiliGrip is actually a composite material that looks almost like a plywood or a wood or something, but this thing, it's pretty heavy. But you can see it's got this textured finish on top, so it's going to be anti-slip. You're going to get grip on this in the back of the van, and it's just a nice solid one-piece design, which means if you get spilled liquid or something, it's not, you know, seeping into seams or anything like that. And plus you just get a beautiful look. Can't wait to install this in the back of the Transit behind me. Let's just take a couple quick measurements here, see what we're looking at. You know, in inches, well, I'm already in millimeters, so we'll start there. You know, this thing is literally 9.7 millimeters thick, and for those inch people out there, we're looking at 0.39 inches thick. So you're close to, that's 0.4 inches. So you're almost a half an inch there, thick on this liner. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see it actually on the camera, but we got a hole here, we got another one down there, we got a hole here on the side, got another one down here. And so if you know, in the back of the Ford Transit Connect, you've got 4 D-rings that are secured to the existing vinyl floor that's in there. You unscrew those, take the vinyl floor out, pop those suckers back in right here, and you're good to go. Now the only thing you will have to do with these aluminum sills, which we'll open now, is take out the existing thresholds that are in there. You pop these suckers in. And I'm wearing gloves, man, because this aluminum can be sharp. And I've already busted up my hand once today. So I'm using these nice gloves that Legend gave me so I can be a little bit careless as I take this out of the nice box here. All right, so we got a sill here for the rear door. It's one long sill here. It's got our cutouts for some existing stuff that's in the back of the van there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes in this, and we've got a bag here of self-tapping screws. So you're just zip, 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 zip that in there. We've got 2 of these side sills for each sliding door, and we've got 3 holes in the side here. Zip, 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 zip. That was 4 zips. I meant 3. So just a beautiful textured diamond plate, floor sill, threshold, whatever you want to call it, that's going to be on the side of that van. It's going to look beautiful once it's all done. It's going to look so nice and finished, because we actually have the wall liners, the door liners, and the ceiling liners that are going in as well. And these sills actually match the top sills that we're going to be putting in the ceiling, so it's going to be a beautiful coordinated look in the back of our Connect when we're done. So very simple install here. You're just taking out what's in there, put this floor in, put these back in, take out the existing thresholds, put these suckers in, and you're good to go. It's going to be simple. You might need 2 people to carry this thing because it is pretty heavy. It comes weighing in at 50 pounds, and it's just a little bit awkward, so you might need 2 people to get this in the back of the van, but then once you're in place, you're good to go. But this is a solid material. You know, you can drop whatever you want on this thing. It's not going to damage it, and it's certainly not going to damage the bottom of the floor in the van. So a great product from Legend. We sell a ton of this stuff, and excited to get this in the back of our Transit Connect. If you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your cargo van so your van is work ready, check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.